lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and you guys already know it's about creating a good lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so part of having a good lifestyle is looking good. If you look good, you feel good. So I am taking you guys along with me to the salon in this video. I was sent a wig to review by Hairvivi. So I'm going to share the wig that I was sent with you guys. But I need you to know that this is just not any review. Next week is my birthday. So this is going to be my birthday hairdo. So it is very, very important that this install turns out to be a success. Now, if you have been consistently watching my channel, most of you know that I'm not a big wig wearer. I have wore wigs in the past, but for the most part, I feel that I look more attractive with short hair or braids. So that is what I tend to gravitate to. But it's my birthday, I'll be 43, and I want to do a little something different. So it is some long hair, which is what I typically don't wear. But I don't know any woman that does not want to be the belle of the ball on her birthday. So it is very, very important that this hair and this install turns out successfully. I'm not the typical YouTuber. I'm not going to be able to pull the wig out and install it right on my head. So I'm going to take it to my stylist, Kim. She's going to color it jet black because I like my hair to be jet black. I think it comes as like a #1, and install it, and you guys are going to see the entire process. So let's unbox my birthday hair. So it came in like a pink box like this. I actually took the ribbon off of it and I could not get it back on. It comes in a nice satin dust bag that says Hairvivi on it. And it looks like we have some goodies. We have a comb, rat tail comb, a what is this, edge brush, and what else, and some clips. Oh, it's long too, y'all. So the wig is 20 inches in length. And the reason why I chose this wig is because a few years ago I used to kind of wear my hair in like the Farrah Fawcett look. If I can find an old pic, I'll insert it so you guys can see. But I used to use this hair that had a wave in it. It had like a natural wave in it, and this reminded me of that hair because it has like a natural wave in. Oh yes, honey. That's gonna be pretty. It has like a natural wave in it. As you can see, it comes as like a, looks like a #2. So although I don't wear wigs that often, I do know a little bit about wigs because my daughter, she is a licensed cosmetologist and she wears wigs all the time. So she helped me select what she knew that I would love. This unit has a fake scalp that's very close to my skin color. And as you can see, the lace is HD, which pretty much stands for high definition. I'm gonna just give you guys an up close look of how it looks. And so it does have bleach knots. And if you're not familiar with what bleach knots is, it just gives the illusion that the hair is coming out of the scalp. It is also pre-plucked. So if you have ever seen someone with a wig on that actually looks like a wig, I mean, it looks exactly like a wig, you can tell immediately. 9 times out of 10, the hair is not pre-plucked. So pre-plucked just keeps it from looking wiggy and more natural looking. Another feature of the wig is it also has free parting, so I could do a side part or a middle part, but I am most likely going to do a middle part, and it is a glueless installation. So basically you don't need glue to install this. However she installs it, I just want it to be able to protect, you know, my edges because they are kind of thin and I want them to kind of feel back out. So I'm gonna pretty much let her decide how she's going to install it. I just want it to be easy for me when I'm home. Since it is a glueless wig, you only pretty much just need some spray to lay the sides down. It does come with 2 combs right here at the top, and then it has a comb in the back and an elastic waistband to keep it tight, keep it from flying off. And the color of my cap is Cappuccino, which is, as you can see, is very, very close to my skin color. And the name of this wig, lifestyle lovers, is actually called Sierra, if I did not mention it in the beginning of the video. But now that I've told you all about the wig, let's take it to my stylist Kim so she can color it jet black and get it ready for my birthday. So it's actually install day. It's the day for me to get my hair done. If I did not mention before, this is my birthday hair, so it is very, very important that this install is a success. So I dropped my unit off to my stylist a few days ago, and she professionally colored it. I'm going to show you guys how it looked once it was colored. She was supposed to install it, but she did not have time to install it by the time that I needed it installed, which is for my birthday weekend. So my daughter is going to install the unit on my head. I'm headed over to her house right now. I just want to show you guys how it looks. I tried it on last night and I could not take it off. It looks so good, even without it being, you know, the lace being cut off. It looks so good. But this is pretty much how it looks. It is a number 1, and she said she had to color it twice. So some pieces are not jet black. It still looks a little brown in the back, but this is how it looks professionally colored. She did advise me that she used something called Matrix to color it, so I'm assuming that's a professional color. But as you can see, the scalp is still intact, and I'm so excited about it. I just wanted you guys to see how it looked colored. This is the natural state of the hair, which is kind of like a natural wave, but I do want some real large barrel curls in it because I have a birthday dinner tonight. So stay tuned for the install. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so the install of my unit has now started. My daughter pretty much decided to sew the unit down to my head. That way it'll be very low maintenance for me, and I won't have to take it on and off every day. I will only have to maintain the front and the sides of my unit. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so my daughter is almost done with this install, but I just wanted to point out that this is 100% human hair, as I know you can already tell by looking at it, but it has a 13x6 free parting space. So originally I was going to go with a middle part, but I did decide to go ahead and do a side part, and as you can see, we did not use any glue. My daughter actually used a spray. I will insert it on the screen, and it will also be in the description box. But if you do decide to order this unit, keep in mind that it's free shipping and free returns. And I want to send a special thanks to Hairvivi for allowing me to review this wig and make my birthday a special one. Turn it down a little bit. That's it down. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so the wig is installed. My daughter does not have time to curl it, so I'm gonna have to go home and throw some curls in it for my birthday dinner tonight. Thank you. Welcome. She said I got on her nerves, child. But yeah, so I got to go home and just, you know, I guess put some finishing touches on it. She's gonna put the what is it?
An edge band.
An edge band on it. An edge band on it. So once I get it all curled up and it's completely finished, probably once I get my makeup done, and I'll come back and just show you guys the finished look. But this is what it looks like installed without any curls or anything.
Like I had told her, because I wear lace wigs a lot, that's a very good quality of lace. The lace was thin, it looked like it was transparent, and like the knots were small, so it blended in very well with her skin.
Yeah, so for someone that wears wigs a lot like my daughter, she did have nothing but good things to say about this.
And the hair is thick from the bottom to the end.
So yeah, I know I'm feeling myself. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so once I'm all ready to go, I'll come back on camera and show you guys the finished look. Hey lifestyle lovers, so this is the finished look. I am dressed, getting ready to go to dinner, and I did not want to forget to show you guys the unit. I pretty much just put some spritz on it and curled it. I curled it without the spritz and it really didn't hold a curl, so that's why I had to kind of go back in and add some spritz to it so it can kind of stay all night. The hair is so soft and it's so lovely. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks in the back. Here is a side view and here is a front view. So my birthday hair was a success. If you are interested in this unit, it is called the Sierra by Hairvivi in 20 inches. And you guys know in this video I had it professionally colored to jet black, but all of the information will be in the description box if you are interested. I hope you have a great week, a great weekend whenever you're watching this. If you are interested in any of the details of this dress, these earrings, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out my birthday vlog because all of the details will be in that vlog. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.